going on, y'all? We're here at Three Sisters Falls Trailhead. It's about an hour and some change outside San Diego, east of it. This hike is about 5 miles, a little less than 5 miles. So we're about to go get it in. Halfway through the hike, it's a straight shot down. So far the hike is easy. All you're doing is going down the hill. Over there is the waterfalls that we're headed to, so we're gonna go check that out. Over there though, you got the canyon, you got different trails over there, so we're gonna start heading down to the waterfall. What's going on, y'all? We just made it to the top of Three Sisters. The hike was amazing. The views are incredible here at the waterfalls. There's 3 waterfalls in total. So little things about the hike. So when you come down the hike, it's 2 miles coming down and some change, and then 2 miles back up and some change. So about 4.5 miles total. So when you come down, you come into the second waterfall. It's cool, kid friendly, pet friendly, not dangerous. It's a straight shot. It's an easy hike. But if you came to the top, you come to the top, to the third waterfall, it's a little dangerous. You gotta do some rock climbing. The rocks are slippery, stuff like that. So be prepared for that. It may be a little dangerous for kids and pets coming up here. Outside of that, we're done. We're about to head out. If you like the video, go ahead and comment, go ahead and like, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Another video is gonna come out here in a couple weeks, so just wait for it. I hope you liked it. Here are the views.